G'day guys, recently hit up that local vending machine that I mentioned in my One Piece video. If you haven't watched it, pretty much there's a new vending machine in my local shopping centre that sells Japanese and English versions of Pokemon and One Piece sets. So I thought I'd grab just a handful of the Japanese Pokemon cards and have a go. Ones I'm mostly looking forward to would be the V-Star, because I know they've got some really good cards in it. And I think they're actually about the same as a full pack, whereas the Obsidian's Flames and whatever this one is seem to only be 5 cards in them, I believe. But yeah, let's see how they go. I'll start off with the Obsidian Flames and slowly work back. Probably not going to worry about a card trick because I don't even think they'll have them in the Japanese pack, so we'll just go through them as they are. So, Zigzagoon, Palpitoad, Pupitar, Altaria, and Seismitoad. One of the main things I was looking forward to with the Japanese sets is getting a God pack. I know the likelihood of that's really slim, but I think it'd just be cool opening a whole booster pack with just all full arts and reverses, whatever that's coming. I think they're mostly just full arts, but it'd be a nice little find to get one of those. Tadbulb, Darumaka, Nosepass, Solrock, and I think she was one of the Elite Four members in the new game, don't quote me on that. Not actually sure the name of this one, but it had some nice Pokemon on the front, so I was hoping it had nice Pokemon on the inside. Mantite, Gimmighoul, Gabite, Glasgow. These might actually be, I think these might be the Paradox Rift equivalent, after seeing that Glasgow there. Alright, now the ones I've really been looking forward to, the V-Stars. So this is the equivalent of the Crown Zenith with the full arts of the Origin Form Dialga, Palkia, Giratina, and then Arceus. So starting off with one of the Latias, whichever one it is. Pumpkaboo, Kricketot, Ultra Ball, some Snow, some other trainer card. Ooh, V-Star Zoroark, and Lucario. Is that a... I don't know, that's 3 holo cards in a row. Is that technically a God pack? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if that's a technical God pack or if that's just normal with the V-Star set. Alright, we've got a Ghastly. Oh, why are the names always blanking me? Paris. Magmortar, I'm guessing with that. Yeah, Magmortar would be. Plus it's red fire. Trainer card. Trainer card. Trainer card. Oh, nice. Diancie. Dance. No, that doesn't sound right. It might be right. I don't know. Oh, now we're going on to a Deoxys. And then finishing on a Basculegion. So that's all I had for the Japanese sets at the moment, but I was really liking the V-Star pool, so there's a good chance I'll go and get myself a couple more booster packs of that. Yeah, if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Really helps out. I want to start making this content more. It is a bit difficult with work, but I'm just trying to find time here and there. Thank you for watching.